Good morning, students. Today we are going to see the static and dynamic characteristics of instruments. Okay, what are the static and dynamic characteristics of the instruments? So first we have to understand the parameters of the instruments. Okay, so what are the different categories we can classify the instrument? Means they are static characteristics and dynamic characteristics. What is static characteristics? The quantities to be measured either constant or vary very slowly with respect to time is static characteristics. In dynamic characteristics, the quantities to be measured vary very rapidly with respect to time. So the static characteristics, it will vary slowly, whereas in dynamic characteristics the quantity will vary very rapidly with respect to time. So what is static characteristics? These are the characteristics of the static characteristics. They are scale range and scale span, true value, accuracy, precision, static error and static correction, sensitivity, linearity, scale readability, reproducibility and repeatability, resolution, threshold, drift, stability, tolerance, dead zone and dead time, hysteresis, noise and loading effect. What is scale range? Okay, scale range na enna? The region between maximum and minimum limits தான் நம்ம என்னன்னு சொல்கிறோம், scale range ன்னு சொல்கிறோம். What is frequency range? The frequencies over which the instruments can measure, it is called frequency range. What is scale span? The algebraic difference between x max and x minimum of the instrument. So a span is equal to x max minus x minimum. What is the true value? It is the average value of an infinite number of measured values. Okay, average value of the infinite number of measured values. What is accuracy? It is an uncertainty in the measured value. Okay. What is precision? The word comes from precise. It is the reproducibility of the measured value within the measurement group. Okay. The formula is given by 1 minus xn minus xan by xan. What is static error? It is a difference between measured and true value. Okay, what true value ko measured value ko difference நம்ம என்னன்னு சொல்றோம், static error ன்னு சொல்றோம். அது formula என்ன? EAM minus AT. Okay, and then it does not indicate the accuracy of the instrument. The ratio between the absolute static error and the true value. What is static correction? It is the difference between the true value and the measured value. Sensitivity. It is the ratio of change in output to change in input. What is linearity? It is defined as the ability of the input to produce true input and output characteristics symmetrically and linearly. So what is scale readability? It is the closeness to which the scale can be read, and it depends on the number of graduations, spacing between the graduations, size of pointer, discriminating and power of observer. Okay, what is reproducibility? The degree of closeness with which the given value may be repeated under same instrument. What is repeatability? The instrument characteristics describe the closeness with which the given value is repeated on same instrument. Resolution or discrimination in a smallest change an input can bring the change in the output. Threshold enna? Minimum value of input value required to minimum value நம்ம அவுட்புட்டில் கொஞ்சம் சேஞ்ச் கொண்டு வந்தாலும் அது வந்து என்னது ஒரு threshold value. It will bring the minimum change in the output. Okay, if we are giving the minimum change in the input, that brings the minimum change in the output. What is drift? The measure of deviation in the output of the particular period. What is zero drift? The instrument output shifts by same amount. Span drift, the output changes proportionately from zero. Zonal drift, the drift occurs only for a particular position. Stability na? measure the capability of the instrument to maintain the standard performance. Tolerance na maximum error expected in the measured value. Dead zone na region in the input where there is no output. Dead time na time taken by the instrument to respond after changes in the input variable has taken place. Hysteresis na phenomenon occur in the measuring instrument which shows different characteristics during loading and unloading. Noise na rapid fluctuations in the change which does not convey an information. Loading effect na occurs due to mechanical and electrical loading which can change in output voltage and current, etc. Dynamic characteristics na the quantities to be measured vary rapidly with respect to time. The dynamic characteristics are speed of response, response time or settling time, lag and fidelity. Okay, what is speed of response? The rapid with which the instrument responds to the input quantity. Response time na time required to settle in the final steady state. Lag na delay exists in the instrument when input is applied. Fidelity na capability of the instrument to reproduce the output. Dynamic error na difference between the true value of time varying quantity and output value indicated by the instruments. Time constant na defined as the time taken to reach 63.2% of its output value. ஸோ இதில் என்னென்ன ஸ்டாட்டிக் கேரக்டரிஸ்டிக்ஸ்னால் நிறைய கேரக்டரிஸ்டிக்ஸ் பார்த்தோம். அதுக்கு என்னென்ன டெஃபினேஷன், அதோட ஒவ்வொரு ப்ராப்பர்ட்டியோட மீனிங் என்னென்னு பார்த்தோம். டைனமிக் கேரக்டரிஸ்டிக்ஸ்னால் என்னென்ன வரும், அதோட மீனிங் என்னென்னு பார்த்தோம். ஓகேவா? இந்த ஸ்டாட்டிக் அண்ட் டைனமிக் கேரக்டரிஸ்டிக்ஸ் ஆஃப் இன்ஸ்ட்ருமெண்ட் வந்து ரொம்ப முக்கியமான கொஸ்டின் அல்ல போர்ஷன். கண்டிப்பாக பாருங்கள் இதை. ஓகே, தேங்க்யூ.